Everyone's using ChatGPT to write listing descriptions. Meanwhile, the top 1% of agents, they're using AI to steal deals while their competition sleeps. Want to know the difference between AI that's a toy and AI that's a weapon? Well, keep watching. Here's the question every smart agent is asking right now. How do I use AI to get real competitive edge in 2025, not just use it for basic tasks? Well, my name's Carrie Soave and I am your AI expert, and that's what we're going to cover in this video. Because let's be honest, if everyone's using AI to write emails, that is not an edge. That's just the new normal. The real edge, it's using AI where your competition isn't even thinking about using it yet. And I'm going to show you exactly where those opportunities are hiding. So here's your reality check. First, let me tell you what's not a competitive edge anymore. Writing property descriptions, everybody's doing it. Creating social media captions, basic. Drafting email, that's very 2023. If that's your AI strategy, then you don't have an edge, you're just keeping up. I know it's harsh, but it's true. Here's what is an edge: using AI in the actual money-making moments of your business. The moments where you speed, scale, and intelligence determines who wins the deal. Let me show you 5 specific ways that top agents are doing this right now. So, competitive edge number 1. Deploy an invisible sales team that never sleeps. So while you're showing houses, your AI is responding to every lead within 30 seconds, having full conversations via text and voice, qualifying buyers based on your criteria, booking appointments directly in your calendar, following up with leads who ghosted you months ago. And here's the edge part. This is not a chatbot. It's AI trained on your successful conversations, your objection handling, your closing techniques. So here's an example. Sarah in Phoenix built this system. Last month, her AI booked 47 appointments while she was on vacation. Her competition, they're still manually texting leads back. Sorry for the delay. That's not automation, that's multiplication. And now, edge number 2. Build an intelligence network that knows everything about your market. So your competition Google's comps. You have AI that monitors every listing in your area in real time, alerts you of price drops before they even hit MLS, identifies off-market opportunities based on patterns, predicts which FSBOs are most likely to list, tracks your competitors' activities and strategy. Here's a real example. My client Tom gets alerts when any property matching his buyer's criteria drops price by more than 5%. He's already calling his buyers while other agents are still refreshing Zillow. The edge isn't having information, it's having it first. Here's competitive edge number 3. Turn one piece of content into an entire marketing ecosystem. Everyone can make a video, but can they turn that video into 20 unique social posts optimized for each platform? Personalized emails to 500 past clients? Targeted ads with 10 different hooks? Blog posts that actually rank and are discoverable by AI search engines? Scripts for your next 5 videos, all automatically, all consistent with your brand, all driving specific actions. And here's the kicker. The AI tracks what works and adjusts. Your content gets smarter every single day. Jennifer used the system to turn one listing tour into 47 inquiries. The video, it was shot on her iPhone in 10 minutes. That is not content creation. That is content domination. Let's look at competitive edge number 4, scaling relationships without losing the personal touch. So your database is not just names and phone numbers. It's intelligence, it's data. AI remembers every interaction with your client, sends personalized check-ins based on their interests, knows when they bought, their kids' names, their anniversaries, the new puppy they just adopted. It identifies who's most likely to buy, sell, and refer next from your database. It creates custom content for each sphere segment. But here is the real edge. It does this for 5,000 contacts as easily as it can do it for 50 contacts. Arc's AI sent 3,000 personalized holiday messages last month. Each one mentioned something specific about a client. The response rate, well, that was 73%. Referrals generated, 18. You can't outwork that. You can only outsmart it. Let's look at competitive edge number 5. Make better decisions faster than anyone else. So while others guess, your AI analyzes which leads are worth your time, calculates optimal listing prices based on 50 or more factors, predicts which marketing channels give the best ROI, identifies when to push for close versus when to wait, and shows you exactly where you're losing money. Here's an example. Lisa's AI told her to stop advertising in one zip code and double down in another. The results, same ad spend, 3 times more qualified leads. The edge is not working harder on everything, guys. It's knowing what actually matters and works. Now, here's what separates the pros from the amateurs. These aren't 5 different AI tools. This is one integrated system where your sales AI feeds your content AI. Your content AI feeds your intelligence AI. Your intelligence AI feeds your decision AI. Everything feeds back to each other, making the whole system smarter. It's not about having AI, it's about having AI that compounds, where every part makes every other part more powerful. Now that is your competitive edge, not a tool, a system that gets stronger every single day. So let me answer the question directly. How do you use AI for a real competitive edge in 2025? Well, you stop using it for tasks and start using it for leverage. You stop using it to save time and start using it to multiply yourself. You stop using it alone and start using it as an integrated system. Do you guys want my exact blueprint for building this? The same system that my top clients use? Just comment solution below and I'll send you all the information you need to set yourself right up. But here's the truth. 90% of you won't even comment. You'll watch this, nod your head, and then go back to using ChatGPT for listing descriptions. For the 3% who get it, you need to comment solution now. Let's build something your competition cannot touch. Subscribe now because the AI revolution is here. I'll see you on my next video.